In this video, I'm gonna be telling you how to take your brushes from this to this in easy steps and without using any expensive cleanser. And most importantly, I will be telling you what not to do while cleaning your brushes, as I've observed that there are certain very common practices that we all follow and they're killing our brushes like anything, reducing their lifespan. But first, let's talk about what all do you even require to clean your brushes. So mainly you just need some cleanser and some water, and that's all. As for the cleanser, you can use a shampoo, you can use a soap bar, you can even use your face wash as the cleanser. Next, I want to recommend you to get a silicone pad like this. Now this is not something necessary, but if you own a good amount of brushes, this is a one-time investment. Trust me when I say this, it is going to make the cleaning process so much easier that you're going to come and thank me. Also, it's not even expensive, guys. You're going to get it under 150 on Amazon. Before I start with the real thing, let's clear one thing out of our way. You must have seen everywhere on internet where people soak their brushes in water like this before actually cleaning them. This is something you have to avoid at any cost. Let me show you what happens when you do this. Do you see that? When you submerge your brushes in water like that from head to toe, the paint on the handle of your brushes gets chipped off. I know it looks nasty. At the same time, it compromises the life of your brushes. Also, the bristles of the brush are attached to the handle with a glue. So eventually the water gets absorbed and it loosens up the glue and your brush will be divided into two parts. Now let me show you the right way to clean your brushes. So take a bowl like this and add any liquid cleanser of your choice. I personally prefer shampoo, so I'm adding some shampoo to it. Next, I'm going to dilute this shampoo by adding some water at room temperature to it. Now don't overcomplicate and think about using hot water. It's going to mess up your brushes. Now this is the solution that we are going to use to clean our brushes. So what you're going to do is dip only the bristles of the brush in the solution like this and start cleaning it by rubbing it in the swirling motions like this, either on the silicone pad or you can even use your hands. Next, rinse your brush in clean water like this until you're not sure that all the cleanser is washed away. You can even rinse the handle of your brush. It's just you should not submerge it in water for too long. And similarly, you have to repeat the same process with other brushes as well. And this is how you're going to clean your brushes if you don't have a silicone pad. Just rub your brush on your palm like this in swirling motions. Use your fingers to cleanse those bristles thoroughly like this. Next, you just need to rinse it well with some clean water. If you're using a soap bar to clean your brushes, then just dip the bristles in the water and rub it on your soap like this and just clean it with your hand and rinse it with some cold water and you're done. So once you've cleansed all of your brushes squeaky clean, this, my friend, is how you're not supposed to dry them. Never dry your brushes in upright position like this. And in case you're thinking of using a hairdryer to dry your brushes quickly, drop that idea already. It's going to melt the bristles of your brushes. Instead, what you're going to do is take a towel and spread all of your brushes on it like this. And now you just leave them to dry overnight under the fan. And this is how my brushes are looking after drying overnight. I personally like to store my brushes in a pouch like this. This way they are not going to accumulate any dust. So I just pick out whatever brush that I want to use and other brushes remain squeaky clean.